Hey guys, it's back to Cooking with Camila. Today we're going to be making energy balls. And then these are the ingredients. So these energy balls are for kids and parents. So the first step is to wash your hands, which we already did. Alright, so also you gotta use oatmeal, but old-fashioned oatmeal, not just that kind. Next step is to put peanut butter. So next we put in flaxseed. Next add in the sweet honey. So next the vanilla. So next we have whatever toppings you want. So next the toppings that I am going to be using are M&M's, funfetti, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. So for parents, we have nuts and coconut. So today I'm going to be using funfetti. Now time to mix. So I ended up adding M&M's. So this is how it should look mixed up. So now we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for 15 minutes. So now we're gonna clean up. They're ready. So basically what you do is you grab a little bit of the mixture and then with your hands roll into a little ball and then put it in this bowl. So this is how it should look. Continue to make balls until you're done with the mixture. So I wrote all of these balls on this side. Sorry guys, I had to take off the hat because it was really itchy on my forehead. So these are the recipes for energy. Alright, so this is the recipe for energy bars. So if you make them, let me know how yours turned out. So thanks for watching. Bye!